सीबीआयचे जागृताय सप्तक देशभर चालू आसा। स्वयंपूर्ण भारत आणि भ्रष्टाचार नष्ट करपाक सर्वसामान्य जनतेन मजत करची, सीबीआयचो अधीक्षक आशीष कुमारान आवाहन केला।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीचे भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त भारताचे सपन पुराय जावपाक जाय जाल्यार भ्रष्टाचाराची पाळामुळां खणून काडपाक जाय। सीबीआय फक्त केंद्रीय अधिकाऱ्यांचेर धाड घालपाक शकता। राज्यांतले अधिकारी सीबीआयच्या कार्यक्षेत्रात येनात अशेंय कुमारान सांगले। भ्रष्टाचाराची कागाळा कशी करची, सीबीआय टिप्स कशे दिवच्यो हे विशीं जागृताय केली।
Awareness week. You don't know. So this year the theme is India at 75, self-reliance with integrity. Okay, we want to be self-reliant, and for becoming self-reliant, integrity is very essential. You understand? If there is corruption, then we won't be achieving anything, and we cannot be self-reliant. Now, what is the need of interaction with the press or media? I'm not here to give any speech. We are assembled here to interact with each other. You are also in the field. You also more or less have the same objective as we have. We want a good society, society free of corruption. So first, you tell us what are your expectations from CBI. What do you know about CBI? What are your expectations? What do you want us to do? Anybody? Well, what is your concept about CBI? What do you know about CBI? What is CBI?
Well, we see that people will get corruption-free administration,
Yeah.
governance.
But here is there is one limitation. CBI has not got any power to look into affairs of the state government. You know? You don't know. We cannot look into the corruption cases of a state government unless it is referred to us by the state government or any constitutional court. Constitutional court means High Court or Supreme Court. Okay? So we are primarily responsible to look into affairs of central government and its undertakings. Okay? So if you come across any corruption, any corrupt activity by any officer of any public undertaking of central government, any central government offices, then you can come to us, you can lodge a complaint. Even now, this is very important. You can very secretly tell me or my officers that this wrong is being done here. You don't need to come into picture. We will take care of that. And since you are in the field, media people are always in the field, so they know many things. That is why we are assembling here to interact with you. Now, what is your expectation? What do you want us to do? Anything? Do you find us lacking in any respect?
We don't have interaction with CBI or any of them. Now this is the first time I told you are meeting after a long time. So whenever
that is why we are
come, we have to put on paper. There's no interaction, no point of connection.
You may have some misgivings, CBI is not doing this, CBI is not doing that, CBI is late of that person. So if you have any misgiving, then you can tell me. Any such misgiving, we will address that problem.
Officers are not accessible. Sometimes what happens when we call up on landline, the officer is on the field, out of
Now see, till the time investigation is going on, we are not supposed to divulge anything, because that can be used by the accused to his advantage.
No, but after everything is over also, you are not...
Now see, when a raid takes place, there is a प्रेस हमारा जो सेंट्रलाइज्ड है,
प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो,
नहीं हमारा प्रेस ऑफिसर क्या उसको
पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन,
प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर. We have one officer in Delhi, press information officer, and every information regarding a raid is sent to that officer. So you can visit our site.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.